Hi my loves, welcome to Skincare with Agility. So do you have dry skin, combination skin, or oily skin, or you don't even know your skin type at all? If you fall under this category, this video is for you. This is a very important video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can identify your skin type in 5 minutes. In just 5 minutes, guys, you will be able to identify your skin type. Before we jump into that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please be sure to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so you are the first person that gets notified whenever I drop a video like this one. Let me give you a couple of minutes so you subscribe. Have you done that? Okay, let's jump into today's video. I understand that the world of skincare can be very confusing. Imagine going into a skincare store to get products and recommendation, and then they hit you with a question, what is your skin type? And you're there frozen because you don't know what your skin type is. Well, after this video, you will be able to identify what skin type that you have. Why is it important for you to know your skin type? It is important for you to know your skin type because your skin needs help. We all need help with our skin, and just because you're not dealing with acne or you feel like your skin is glowing doesn't mean your skin doesn't need help. Your skin needs help, and when you know your skin type, it's going to be very easy for you to be able to help your skin, for you to assist your skin, for you to use the right products for your skin. Why does skincare really matter? Because honestly speaking, I used to feel like skincare doesn't really matter. It was just a way to spend money. It was just for people that have a lot of money, just wasting time on their skin, on their face. Skincare makes you sweat. Skincare makes you feel greasy and all of that. So why is skincare really important? Your skin is the largest organ in your body, and if you don't take care of it, or if you use the wrong products for it, it can affect a lot of things. A lot of things can go wrong. Your appearance is one of them, and then using harsh products, bleaching products, all these things can actually affect your kidney. So therefore, skincare is very important. You want to take care of the largest organ in your body, which is your skin. You want to take care of the thing that everybody sees first before they know who you are. It is important that you take care of your skin. Knowing your skin type will help you use the right products for your skin. Just imagine you're a dry skin girly and you're using products for oily skin girlies. Can you just imagine? A lot of things can go wrong. You can experience flakes on your skin, dryness, eczema, breakouts. A lot of things can actually go wrong. That's why it's very important that you identify your skin type. This is the skincare basics. This is skincare 101. Know your skin type, which is what we're going to identify today. Before I tell you how you can identify your skin type, it is important that you know what skin type is. What is skin type? Skin type refers to the hydration level of your skin. Hydration and moisture are important for you to have good skin. Our bodies sometimes don't always work with us to achieve the best hydration possible that is good for a great skin. You understand? A lot of things can influence this. Lifestyle, age, so many things can make it difficult for your skin to have the necessary amount of hydration that it needs for you to have good skin. That is why your skin needs help. This is where you come in. So when you identify the hydration level of your skin, you will be able to know how you can help it, what products will suit it best. Do you understand? It is super easy. Now it's time for us to get into the 5 minutes way of identifying your skin type. And I'll refer to this as the shine test. The first thing I need you to do is for you to get a gentle cleanser. I recommend the one from Simple. The Simple Micellar face wash is both cheap and readily available, and it is very gentle. So that is the product I recommend for this. But if you still have other gentle cleansers, you can use them. So take a little of it on your hands, gently foam it up, and rub on your skin for 30 to 40 seconds, like washing your face. Do you understand? So gently use it on your face. So you're going to activate it first with your hands. You take a little of it on your hand, a pea-sized amount, activate it on your hands, and then use on your face for 30 to 40 seconds. So step 2, the next thing I want you to do is to wash it off. So when you get out of the shower, don't apply anything on your skin. I would recommend you do this probably on a relaxing night. Just get out of the shower and wait. It's time for you to wait, because what is going to happen next is going to help you identify what skin type you have. So get out of the shower, don't apply anything on your skin, just chill, relax, and wait. Step 3, you're going to wait for an hour, and after an hour is done, I want you to go to a mirror. Look for a mirror that is really very close, and you're going to examine your skin. This is where the examination comes in. You're going to examine your skin. You're going to check the hydration level of your skin, and don't be scared. It's very simple. If you notice a shininess, almost as if you applied highlighter on your face, you notice a certain level of shininess on your face, shininess that seems like sometimes it looks as if it's reflective, then baby girl, you have oily skin. But then if you notice that your skin feels super tight, stripped of moisture, and looks as if there is no hydration on your skin, then it means that you have dry skin. And sometimes you can even notice flakiness, or you notice lines on your face when you make some facial movements. Like when you move your face, you can notice lines on your skin. It just means that there's no hydration, no moisture, you have dry skin. If you notice that certain spots are super shiny and then some other areas feel super dry, super stripped of moisture, then girl, you have combination skin. This is one of the it's not really a difficult type of skin, but you know, it's a mix of both. You have to be able to find a balance in your products. Do you understand? It is easier when it's dry or oily, then you can just know the products that you're going to use. But girl, that's not bad at all. It just means that you have combination skin, and I do have combination skin. So if you have combination skin, do well to subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be dropping tips for combination skin girlies. If you don't notice any dryness, greasiness, your skin just feels normal, looks normal to you, then you're super lucky, because you have the normal skin type. This is the easiest type of skin, because you're not really looking out for any major skin concern. You're just, you know, going to be going for healthy skincare products. Like, you're just going to be going for the basics, if you know what I mean. Your sunscreen, moisturizer. Do you understand? Another way that you will be able to identify your skin type is doing the pore test. The pores test, like the size of the pores of your skin. If you have larger pores on your face, it would seem to be that you would have super oily skin. And if your pores are really small, then it will be that you have a tendency of having dry skin. Just adding it just in case you're in an area where your environment can affect your shine test. When you do the shine test, maybe you're in a very hot environment, it might be very difficult for you to identify your skin type, because once you wash off the cleanser from your face, you can get sweaty. But you can actually do the pore test. But I just like the shine test, the cleanser test, where you just apply the cleanser and then see how your skin reacts after. And well, that's basically the type of skin types that we have: oily skin, combination skin, dry skin, and normal skin. But then I want to put it out here that people often say they have sensitive skin, or they have dehydrated skin. I would say that those are not skin types. I'm not a dermatologist. Let me put it out there. I'm not a dermatologist. I'm just someone that loves skincare, and I like to drop my opinions. I feel like if you have dehydrated skin or you have sensitive skin, it is not a skin type, rather it is a skin concern. Because an oily skin girly can have dehydrated skin, an oily skin girly can have sensitive skin. Do you understand? Those are basically skin concerns, not skin types. Your skin type is the manifestation of the hydration level of your skin. Do you understand how much your skin hydrates itself? So it can show that is lacking hydration in different ways. It can show this by producing a lot of oil. It can also show this by not producing any oil at all. When it produces a lot of oil, you have oily skin, and when it doesn't produce at all, you have dry skin. Do you understand? Skin type is basically the hydration level of your face, of your skin rather, and not a skin concern. So my loves, now that you know your skin type, you can proceed to get products that works for your skin type. I'm going to be dropping some product recommendation for different skin types. I'm going to pick them. I think I'm going to go with dry skin first, after this video, my next video. So be sure to subscribe. I also want to put it out there that sometimes it can happen that an oily skin girly can use a product for a dry skin girly and it might actually work. Do you understand? Sometimes it can work, but it is much easier to get products for your skin when you know your skin type and you stick to products for your skin type. Then you're gonna get the results that you want. Getting the specific products for your skin is gonna save you a lot of time, and it's definitely going to save you a lot of money as well, because when you get what your skin needs, your skin is going to react the way you want it to react. So guys, that is going to be all for today's video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like this video, to subscribe to my channel as well. You wouldn't want to miss out on any of my skincare videos or any of my lifestyle videos. So be sure to subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment for me in the comment section. Let me know what your skin type is. If you have any skin concerns, or if you have any questions for me, let me know in the comment section, and I will definitely answer that, and if possible do a video to that effect. Don't forget to like this video, because it's gonna help the algorithm recommend it to people that needs it, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.